Yo, what's up hardcoreheads? This is Arjuna. Today we're gonna talk about samples. I was busy with a track and I want to show you something about sampling. Let's dive in.
DJ Arjuna Tutorials is brought to you in the best steenkolen Engels we can provide.
I have a sample. So I have this small sample over here and I chopped it in 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. It's simple. I loaded into battery. I bought battery before I bought contact, and so I'm using battery a lot also for this kind of stuff. The sample, this is the whole sample. And I pitched it almost an octave. This is the original sample.
Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4.
But what I want to share with you is that samples, if you take a melody and actually not a melody but a sound in the key you want to work in with, and it's a G minor. Which G is it? Well, it's the G on the G.
Kicking at what you for. 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 Kicking at what you for.
So this is the melody in the right key, and here I have the sample. And
kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4.
Maybe I have to make it a bit longer. So
kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, kicking at the tempo.
And when I use a sample, I'm always tuning it to the right key, because if you tune your music to the right key, your kick, your samples, your melody of course, but also your ride, your heads, your crash, everything. If you tune everything, the track will become very solid, because everything sounds alright, so it's all fitted together. But for now the sample I'm going to show you.
Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. 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 Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4.
Well, I know the key now already, because I already searched it. So, but listen.
Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4.
So.
Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2, 4. 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 Kicking at the tempo of 1, 2. 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 Kicking.
Well, you can hear the difference. So this way it's gonna sound much better. But you also can choose to work the other way around and work in the low key.
Kicking at the tempo, kicking at the tempo, kicking at the tempo.
But in my opinion, we back in the days we used to call this speed voices. Speed voices are something I really like, so I'm going to use it as a speed vocal. And because you can hear the sample, it's not working now on the rhythm of the track. If we take let's take a breakbeat. So that's why I chopped the sample into pieces. Let's have a look. Well, you know, it's really easy to become very creative with a sample this way. So chop your samples into many pieces and play with it and make it yourself. You can change the rhythm, you can change whatever you want to change with it. But listen now with a breakbeat. Well, and if we compare that with this, I have to, so let's hear the whole thing. And the speed of some words, I think the word tempo is now a bit too fast. I think it's okay this way, but what I also do when I have something like this and the key is right but the tempo is not right, in Cubase I can do a render in place, I think what's called a render in place, and then I render with current settings. So and then I have this. And now I can, if I want to, I can chop the tempo, and if I want to make it a bit longer, slower, I can cut something out, and I go to apply time stretch, make a time stretch. And now the original. Yeah, the difference is not that big. Let's chop the sample. So you can be very creative with sampling if you put it in the right key and then chop the sample in many pieces, and then later on you can also time stretch the different pieces, so you can take a sample which doesn't sound originally very good in a track, but you can make it your own and be creative with it, and you can make it sound very, very nice. So this is what I want to share with you. See you the next time. Bye bye.